exam centers do we have?
Look, exact number of exam centers I don't know, but because NTA don't communicate to us. But the latest development is NTA has communicated with state government to identify 200 computer more having all the facility. So we have identified those, and we have identified the infrastructure, and we have communicated to the NTA, and they are coming tomorrow to inspect whether they fulfill the criteria on that.
Sir,
It is not about the state or the central, but it is clear those colleges affiliated to the central university, they have to undergo this examination. That's all, simple as simple, right? So therefore, we will request the institutions. Why should we face this kind of challenge again and again and again? So if they can affiliate to the state university, right? That is simple as simple. So
what is the latest development in our state university then, sir?
we are ready. We are ready.
What about the admission? No.
No, it is going on. Those who are on the process of application, they can start admission. It is not an issue with the state university. We are ready in all respect.
So for the second,
Yeah, no, definitely we will be taking up the matter again and again and again, but till we get permission. But it is, look, this is so I don't know what the NT is doing. It's last year also had the same issue. This also has the same issue. Maybe look, the problem is, had NTA communicated to the state government in time, we could have done all the required measures.
but are you writing a very strong?
Definitely. As Honorable CM also has already written, and we are writing today also that to defer all the exams of other states. I mean, students who those who have allocated in a far from location from the state.
Have you opened any helpline to identify students who are not able to write the examination?
Yeah, we have already instructed the department to do the needful to contact the students and all.